folks, Larry here, and I've got some news to share with you, the whole world. The master himself, the master of pens, in my opinion, the one and only Mr. Dante Vecchio, will be in the U.S. of America. Are you ready for the dates? Write this down. He will be in New York, you got it, from the 1st through the 4th of December. And he will attend an event at the new Pen store at Rockefeller Center. So again, Dante, the man who created the beautiful Visconti fountain pen, now has started his new creation, his new masterpiece, Pen. Yes. So, again, in New York City, on December 1st through the 4th, he will be at the new Pen store at the Rockefeller Center. This is going to give you an opportunity to meet Dante, to get to know Dante. And once you get to meet this man, he's incredible. This man is seriously incredible. You can feel his love. You can feel his passion. This is what he lives for. This is what he has dreamed for. He just doesn't make pens. He creates beautiful work of pens. He's an amazing gentleman, a great guy. Again, if you're in New York, you don't want to miss the event. It's a chance of a lifetime, okay? Again, in New York, on December 1st to the 4th, he will be at the Pen store at the Rockefeller Center. Got it? So, put that on your calendars. Check him out. You're going to be glad you did. Awesome, awesome gentleman. A really fine gentleman. Folks, write it down, and I hope you get to meet him. Take care, my friends. God bless each and every one of you. Be safe out there and be kind to a stranger. So a lot of peace and love. And remember, as always, please don't text and drive. Peace out. Bye-bye.